Hi there, this is Jonathan from George Group, and today we are in Foshan in this huge factory which is over 10,000 square meters. We are specialized in producing kitchen units and different types of cabinets. Because of the high technology that we have in our factory, we're able to produce more than 300 cabinets in a day. Starting with the first step, this is where the raw materials are being stored. Let me give you more information about the raw materials. So as you can see here, we have plywood. Coming over here, we have particle board. Then underneath here, we have the solid wood. So we have different types of materials to produce these cabinets and kitchen units. Now let's go to the next step. Behind me is this high-tech machine. Let me give you information about this machine. So if a customer sends us a plan and the drawing, we feed that information to this machine, and the machine cuts the pieces exactly to what the customers want it to be. So let me show you something. Like this. This is one of the pieces that has been cut by this high technology machine here. Then we also have this code here which gives you the exact information. For example, the thickness, the color, and where it's supposed to be placed. This is the next step. After the machine cuts the pieces, they are brought over here. As you can see, this is the raw side of the timber. This is the raw material, and we're going to use the ceiling side to cover this. The machine behind me is high technology, which is far much better than glue, and also it's much stronger. This is where the sealing takes place. As you can see, this is much faster, much stronger, and more durable. So this is the final result. After it being sealed, it's now completely sealed, perfectly, much stronger and much faster. So the materials are being fed here. Just by scanning the barcode, the machine knows exactly where to position the screws and nuts. In order to distinguish which piece goes at the right place, all this has been computerized by having a barcode. For example, now I'm able to read the information and know where exactly this piece is supposed to be. Installation and inspection. This is one of the most important parts. For example, when we have clients in China, we're able to call them to come and inspect and see by themselves how the cabinet will look like or their kitchen units. As for now, we're able to send you videos of how the installation is done and how the outcome will look like. Part of the inspection process is to make sure that all the boards are thoroughly cleaned and ready to be shipped to you. Finally, the packing stage. As you can see, we have different components that helps make sure that the goods are safe and protected. For easy identification, we've placed a picture of the installation guide and how many pieces are inside the carton. And finally, the loading of a container. As you can see, we have a professional team that's loading a container to make sure that all the goods are packed in an orderly way for easy access when the container arrives. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment on the comment section and give us a thumbs like. Thank you.